Two news stories dropped that will change the way we market. For 20 years, digital marketing relied on a single predictive loop. You optimize a website to rank in the top 10, and Google sends you traffic. But that cycle is crumbling. The second, Meta's ad revenue is forecast to reach $243 billion, edging past Google for the first time. Meanwhile, old rules are failing. In 2025, top 10 rankings meant a 76% chance of AI citation. Today, that's dropped to just 38%. Ranking well no longer means being seen. This creates a vacuum in the market. The technical playbooks that brands have used to capture attention since the early 2000s have lost their fundamental utility. This vacuum exists because the AI layer now sits between your brand and its audience. The layer summarizes your content and replaces your links with its own conversational interface, acting as a gatekeeper for almost every digital interaction. Navigating this intermediary is now a requirement for survival. If the AI doesn't synthesize your data into the answer, your brand effectively disappears from the discovery process. We start with organic discovery. May 2026 core update forced a change in how we define a successful organic campaign. The scale of the change is massive. Google's AI overviews now reach 2.5 billion users, while their specialized AI mode has reached 1 billion monthly active users. This volume has technically decoupled search from the answers because Google now uses a different logic to rank a page than it does to cite a source. Search engine optimization (SEO) and answer engine optimization (AEO) have become separate disciplines. A high rank and results page is no longer a signal that AI will use you as a primary reference. Marketing teams are now managing two distinct playbooks. The focus for organic reach has shifted from winning the link to optimizing entity signals, the specific, verified facts about your brand that allow an AI to validate you as an authoritative source. Organic reach is now a contest of context. The goal is to provide the AI with enough structured data to ensure it summarizes your value rather than your competitors. The second pillar of the shift is paid media. The traditional ad duopoly is losing its grip as platforms launch ad formats native to conversational AI. OpenAI is leading the charge. ChatGPT now processes 2.5 billion prompts daily, and as of May, their ad platforms has no minimum spend. Small businesses can now place contextual ads directly inside AI responses, a space that was once reserved to massive enterprise budgets. Meta is maintaining its growth through AI automation. Their Advantage Plus system now generates $60 billion in annualized revenue by using AI to automate ad creative, averaging a return of over $4 for every $1 spent. Google's response at Marketing Live 2026 conference was the introduction of agentic advertising. They've introduced AI-native formats like chatbots that handle leads directly inside the ad unit to ensure brands can transact without the user ever even leaving the AI interface. There's a direct correlation between organic presence and paid success. Brands cited organically within an AI answer are seeing 91% more paid clicks. The two sides of the AI interface are reinforcing each other. The data suggests that the internal walls between the organic and the paid teams are now a liability. Coordination is necessary to ensure that when an AI generates an answer, your paid ad is there to catch the resulting intent. Success in this environment requires owning the organic citation first. Without the foundation, paid media becomes significantly more expensive and less efficient. The final pillar is measurement. Until recently, visibility within AI answers was a qualitative guessing game. The launch of OtterlyAI in June changed that reporting landscape. Marketers can access production-tested workflows for generative engine optimization. We can now pull citation data from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, and others directly into a standard reporting stack. This turns AI visibility from a vague concept into a hard data point. Tracking your share of voice within AI citations is now as critical as tracking your conversion rate or web traffic. This closes the gap between marketing efforts and measurable results. Citation is a trackable KPI that allows for direct accountability within your marketing spend. We are moving away from direct links towards a web of synthesized filtration. The boundaries between search, video, and conversions have collapsed. They're now part of a single ecosystem where AI agents decide which brands are worth mentioning. For marketers today, the target has changed. You're no longer speaking directly to a customer. You're feeding the AI agent that the customer has outsourced their trust to. To maintain visibility, you must decouple your organic strategies, integrate your paid and content teams, and treat your citation data as your primary metric of success. In this landscape, the distinction is clear. A brand is either a source AI trusts, or it is a brand AI ignores.